Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in diamond black crystal pearl with halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 39,000 miles on the odometer, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, QUADRA-TRAC 4-wheel drive system, split folding rear seats, ParkSense rear park assist with stop, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5228A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.